If you have an opportunity to listen to Mr. Truelove speak and his stories, your life will be changed. Your life will be changed in the way you see the world, in the way you help other people in the world.
There's somebody right now that can't walk, and they're going through a treatment facility, rehab facility, and the only thing they want to be able to do is to be able to do that on their own. Now they holding on to the rails, and that right there is an accomplishment for them. And when they're in there, those physical therapists, they're like, good job, just that one step. Now you, on the other hand, you be like, it ain't but one step, but to that person, so for you, you may not be like, oh man, it ain't nothing because I'm trying to get to the end. But in moments to where like you got 20 more steps to go, if you forgot the last 10 you took, you may look at them in the next 20 and be like, dang man, do I really want to do that? Celebrate yourself along the way. It's one of my biggest challenges. I'm telling you, for somebody that has a challenge, celebrating itself.
And if there's ever a time that these kids need to hear his testimony, it is right now. His motivation has even motivated me. Do I want more? Absolutely.
Allow these things to ignite you. Me not having things, me not seeing things within my home was what motivated me. Your mom and your dad don't have to do nothing different. Stop blaming them. I don't know what your family dynamic is, but some of us are using some excuses, uses them as some scapegoats for the reason why we're not giving all the effort that we're supposed to be giving while we're here. Some of you have brilliance inside of you. Some of you will have some books inside of you. Some of you are going to be the next individuals that come up here that actually speak to schools all across the nation. Some of you are just like that little kid from Detroit, but what? We're not allowing the fullest potential of ourselves to show forth every single day because it ain't looking the way that I want it to look. And so for you, I want to motivate somebody. I don't know exactly who it is, but I want to spark something inside of you that reminds you there's greatness on the inside of you. That there's some potential that you have in there, and if you just quite blow the dust off of it, get that thing started up, then it's going to ignite the greatest ride of your life.
The way he connected with our students, the way he related to these kids is something I have not seen in my entire life. There was a line of kids that wanted to talk to him and not just shoot the breeze. These kids were pouring their souls out. It is one of the most incredibly transformative things you will ever witness.